Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for specific apps on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. This section controls all the app notification preferences. Now, you'll see a list of all your apps. Scroll through the list and tap on the app you want to manage. Let's say it's Instagram, for example. Once you're in the app's notification setting, you'll see a toggle at the top that says Allow Notifications. To completely stop all notifications from this app, just toggle that off. Now, this app won't show banners, sounds, lock screen alerts, or badges at all. If you don't want to turn off notifications entirely, you can customize them instead. Under Alerts, choose where notifications appear on the lock screen, Notification Center, or as banners. Sounds lets you turn off the sound so you still get silent alerts. Badges, these are the little red circles on the app icons. You can turn that off separately. Tap on Show Previews to choose when message previews appear, always, when unlocked, or never. This is great if you still want updates, but less distraction. You can also use focus mode to silent apps during specific times, like work or sleep. Here's how. Go to Settings and find Focus. Choose a focus like Do Not Disturb or create your own. Under Allow Notifications, you can pick people or apps that you want to receive notifications while your phone is on Do Not Disturb. This is perfect for staying productive or sleeping undisturbed. Back under the app's notification setting, you'll see notification grouping. If you don't want your notifications stacking up individually, set to automatic or by app, or turn it off to keep things quiet. And that's how you turn off notifications or customize them for specific apps on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.